Hi, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendation channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market update. The overnight soybean oil December months down 0.37 to close lower at 38.51. While Dalian active farmer contract rose 108 point to close higher at 7576 on previous night sessions. Over in Malaysia's, the palm oil futures ended at their highest point in 10 days on Thursday sessions, driven by the decreasing inventories and bargain hunting despite the weaker export data. The crude palm oil November contracts rose 15 points to close higher at 3696. Okay, so in the latest developments, the active traded contract month has been switched to November since yesterday night sessions, and at the moment we still see the price is consolidating at the bottom of the downward channels, and we believe the market is currently taking a breath from recent selling as the movement remain in bearish if we're looking at the bigger pictures. And we remain our view that the palm price could trade still within the sideways consolidations. And if it continue to sustain above the middle of the consolidation box, which is around 372025, is still showing the buying opportunity with the resistance. First one to see at 3745 to 50, while support are spotted at 3705 to 3700. So for morning recommendations, our call will be long positions may be open above 3720 with the target at 3745 to 62 and a stop loss at 3700. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 3720 with the target at 3705 to 3689 and a stop loss at 3740. And next, we are turning our focus to the index market update. The overnight Dow Jones rose 554 points to 40,563. Wall Street's main indexes ended the day on a positive note on Thursday, with the Nasdaq climbing over 2% following the July US retail sales data that indicate the strong consumer spending and is concerned about the potential recessions in the world's largest economy. Out of the 11 major S&P 500 sector, 9 saw gains with the consumer discretionary and information technologies leading the advance. Over in Malaysia, our benchmark index FPM-KLCI fluctuated between gains and losses on Thursday before the closing the day with a slight increase. The futures contract August month down 0.5 points to close moderately lower at 1616.5, and that was due to the lack of the fresh catalysts. Okay, so now we are moving to looking at the charts. The index is consolidating in a very tight range for almost 4 days. And today and the opening sessions, the index broke above a resistance range at around 1626 to 25 range here. Tracking the strong positive performance on the overnight US market, the index could slightly pull back a little bit to around the previous resistance 1626 to 25, and likely to further up. So with the next resistance to see at around 1631 to 32, while new support we can see currently the index could strong support above 1619 to 18. Yeah. So here's our recommendations, our view for the morning sessions. And as we wrap up this session analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the view presented here are for reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.